find music a very powerful tool, a powerful idiom to tap into emotion and core issues and expression, and it seemed a powerful route to be able to use both counseling and music in the therapeutic context. Biofeedback has fascinated me because of its immediacy in being able to train the mind-body awareness. The main concept in biofeedback and now in bio-guided music therapy is that you get your own physiological data back in real time. So if someone is coming into a session, say for maybe anxiety or migraine headache, you'd get hooked up to a simple sensor, probably a little finger sensor that slips on the finger, and you get information back in visual and in audio format that relates to activity levels. You'll get feedback immediately, in real time, as your stress level moves up and your stress level moves down. See if you can bring the flute lower and lower. In traditional biofeedback, we use long tones and short tones to return a physiological measure for training purposes. Now, it's still a very powerful tool and can be used very effectively. And so you may get a long tone as your stress level moves up. You may hear that tone move up in pitch or descend down in pitch. And that gives you the message that whatever you did at the time is pushing or nudging your body in that direction. You're edging your nervous system one way or another, bumping up, bumping down. To create a more interesting and aesthetic environment that's kind of fun or pleasing or less boring to work with, the musical environment is very important. What my idea was instead of the long synth tones, what if we attached short melodic native flute phrases to that physiology, moving up and moving down. And so now, with your physiology ascending, the melody of the native flute moves up, and as your nervous system relaxes, the melody of the native flute drops down. So this kind of thing is great for being able to help control, say, migraine headaches, high blood pressure, anxiety, performance anxiety for musicians. And using brainwave biofeedback, it's been shown to be very effective for attention deficit disorder, depression, and addictions.